name is Travis King, one of the owners of RKS Off-Road, and I'd like to introduce myself to you today as we prepare to build the lightest, toughest off-road trailer in the world. And to build that, we're first going to build out some demonstrators and then get ready to manufacture. So why don't we take a little walk and take a look at the facility first.
We want to build off-road trailers. Insane? Probably. So now I'm walking out here just to give you a view of what the facility looks like, where we're going to be building out these bad boys. Behind me here is Sam. Yeah, Sam's getting ready. In this corner that you see behind me, this is where all the magic's gonna happen. He's actually getting it ready so that we can get everything organized. We believe in proper planning, allows us to just build faster, build better. We're about quality. Over here, we've already organized our parts bins. One will be for trailer 1, the other one will be for the trailer 2. These will be demonstrator trailers that we're building out to show the world what we're building. You can consider these to be our first parts. Now when I say first parts, what I mean is we're building an interior mule. It's basically going to allow us to have all the proper dimensions inside of the trailer so that we can package in all the good stuff. And while we're working on this, our engineering company RLE is already working on all the design parts for the aircraft grade materials, including honeycomb panels, all the extrusions, everything. We are going to have zero wood inside of this trailer, building a trailer that actually lasts your lifetime. Here we have all white walls, and what you're going to see here in the next few days is actually my youngest is quite the artist, and he is going to paint these walls up with RKS. So he's going to redefine this space as we go into our next adventure. You know, Sam, eventually there's going to be pranks. I mean, nothing unwieldy.
So you're saying get ready?
Yeah.
Start plotting?
Yes.
Evening?
Most likely.